Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if iPhone vibration is not working. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to go to settings and then scroll down, click on sounds and haptics. Here, you're going to make sure vibrate on ring and vibrate on silent are turned on. To do that, you're going to click on haptics over here. And then you're going to make sure that you have selected always play or play in silent mode. So if you don't have them enabled, your phone will not vibrate. And the next fix that you can do is check if your iPhone is in silent mode or focus mode. Turn them off and test again. Now restart your iPhone. This often fixes minor system glitches. If it still doesn't work, you're going to go back to your settings and then search for the option of accessibility. Here, scroll down, click on touch, and scroll down again till you find the option of vibration. So you're going to make sure vibration is enabled. Also, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So you're going to go back to settings, click on general, and here you'll be able to see any software update if available. If vibration still doesn't work after all this, it could be a hardware issue with the Taptic Engine. So that's basically how you can fix if iPhone vibration is not working. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.